In this video, I will show you how to replace the cabin air filter in the following vehicles: 2009 to 2013 Volkswagen Routan, 2008 to 2016 Chrysler Town and Country, 2008 to the present Dodge Grand Caravan. The cabin air filter is located behind the lower glove box on the passenger side. Open the glove box and empty the contents. With two hands, squeeze the side guide rails inwards to override the stopper. While squeezing, try to bring the glove box down. When squeezed far enough, the glove box will come down all the way. Let's take a look inside. What you're looking at is the filter housing. Squeeze the tabs inwards to remove the cover. Remove the old filter. Take note of the direction of flow by looking at the arrow marked on the filter. Insert the new filter with the arrow pointing downwards. Reinstall the cover. This can be turned in any direction. Bring the glove box back up the same way you bring it down by squeezing on the tabs. And finally, put back all your stuff. That's it. Thanks for watching.
Yes, Papa, go and go live there.